Hi guys, welcome back to this week's video, or if you're new, thank you for tuning in. Today's video will be more of a vlog style video where I am going to take you along with me as we finish our school prep shopping. We need to go to the grocery store, which I'll probably go to Walmart, and then we need to get Journey some tennis shoes and then just finish up some last minute things around the house. So please stay tuned and follow us with our day. Follow us throughout our day. Thank you. Okay, y'all, so when I have a lot of errands to run, I like to make me a check-off list or create a checklist. So that's what I'm getting ready to do now is find my little notebook and create a checklist so that we can stay on track for this busy Saturday. We're having a community yard sale until 3 o'clock today that I did not participate in, but I did walk around to kind of support my neighbors. But yeah, the community is full right now because there's about 12 different neighbors doing a garage or yard sale. Sorry, it's getting ready to get dark. Walking down to my room. Yeah, so getting ready to make my list so that we can head out to probably go to Walmart first and get the grocery shopping out of the way, since that's my least favorite thing on today's list. All right, got my notebook. Time to create my list and get moving. We'll stop and check in on Journey and see what she's doing or if she's coming right now. Hey, need to go to Walmart to grocery shop. And then what are we doing about your school stuff for next week? School shoes? You getting any school shoes this week?
Where?
It's Saturday. It's time to get moving. Are you going to get shoes today?
I don't think I'm gonna go. It just depends where we're going.
Do y'all see how Journey be acting? Come on, get up.
Where are we going? I don't want to go to Walmart.
We're not going to Walmart.
You just told me we have to go grocery shopping, and I do not like grocery shopping.
Yeah, but you like eating the groceries.
Yes.
Okay, well, we still have to go. You have mainly sweatsuits. You really don't have any 80-degree school clothes right now because you have yet to submit your
Oh my God.
cart of clothes.
What? We're gonna do this together. Oh wait. What was I just on before you came in?
I don't know what you were just on. I know that I still do not have what I've been asking you for all week.
Because it's hard. It's so hard.
Y'all, this is what it's like dealing with a preteen who for the first year gets to pick out her school clothes.
First year?
When I was doing the school clothes shopping, we were done. Now we're waiting last minute.
Oh my goodness. It's not my fault.
See, procrastination at its finest.
I'm
She ain't
doing
here.
it though. I'm on it.
And then how long does it take to ship?
I don't know.
You're going to be in school wearing your last year's clothes.
No, we're gonna get some from. We're gonna go somewhere and get.
I'm going to go to Walmart. I'm going to get some clothes from Walmart until your clothes get here.
Walmart do be having some good graphic tees.
They have, I think Gap has a, y'all see that? Y'all can't see. This girl here, boy. Anyways, back to the clothes.
Back to the clothes.
I'm leaving. I'm not messing around with you.
Okay.
You gonna get whatever shoes I pick out for you. I'm gonna try them on so I know you can fit them.
Make sure they're Jordans.
And not.
Wait, do they even have Jordans at the mall? This is why it's hard. Wait, maybe I get some. Wait. See? Maybe I could go in the men's and like get my size.
For what?
For Jordans.
They definitely won't have any Jordans.
So then we're ordering them.
I'm done here.
You're stressing me out.
You've been stressing me out. All right, y'all. Let's go get our list together so we can get out of here. Leave it up to Journey. We'll be in here all day. All right, let me find somewhere to put y'all so we can go ahead and get started. All right, y'all, so me and Journey made it in the car. We are headed to the mall first. Backseat driving, now she wanna be hiding. All right, so we are headed to the mall, and then we're gonna go to Sam's Club and then Walmart. All right.
Sam's Club.
Journey hates to grocery shop, but she loves to eat.
I'm not going in at Sam's Club or Walmart.
Sit in the car.
I am.
And will. You mad? All right, y'all. I'll see you once we get to the mall. All right, so we are here at the mall.
She's forcing me to wear a mask.
Yes, I'm forcing you to wear a mask. Do you see how packed this mall is? There's tons of people out here. This is the actual last weekend to shop before school starts. So everybody and their mama out here, including Journey. And we about to put these masks. Put your mask on. I don't care. We do not care.
She's talking.
So packed in here. Journey, I said it's so packed in here. You act like you can't find anything. You want to show me what's
All right, y'all.
So we didn't get any footage in that mall because it was extremely too packed. We was just trying to get in and out. Each of the stores that we went in had tons and tons of people in there. Of course, we didn't get any shoes because Journey is yet so indecisive. She has her mind made up on these Jordans, which are going to be impossible to get. So in the meantime, she'll be wearing Crocs. I don't know who she think about to pay $400 for some daggone shoes, but she'll find out it ain't me. She gonna be going to school with these Crocs on and these Air Max from last year. All right, so we are headed to Sam's Club right now to do some grocery shopping. Hopefully it's a little better in there and I can take you in there with us. So we're headed to Walmart's, just left Sam's, and we're gonna finish up at Walmart. I go to Walmart after Sam's because I don't need bulk everything. So I just go to Sam's to get what I need bulk items for. And then, hold on, let me turn this air down. Okay, it's probably hard to hear because I have the air on blast. All right, so we are headed to Walmart, getting ready to go finish up the rest of our grocery shopping for the next 2 weeks. It's just been jam-packed in these stores, so I have just been wanting to get in and get out because it's so crowded in there. So we'll see. Maybe Walmart is a little better. I can take you all along. If not, I will catch up with you all when we get home. Okay guys, as you can tell, we've made it back home. We went to a total of 3 stores today, complete chaos. Hardly got any footage of us out and about. Basically just wanted to get in the stores and get back out. We started out at about 3 o'clock today. It's now 7:48. So we've practically been out all day. What I'm going to do right now, I know you can see we have a lot of groceries behind us, so I'm going to shoot a small grocery haul, school prep grocery haul. Again, this is a 2-week haul that we'll do. We generally go grocery shopping every 2 weeks, so I've picked up groceries for the next 2 weeks, and it will include our dinners and lunches. The girls start back school this week. Journey starts back school this week. And then my husband and myself will also pack lunches for work. The twins start college the week after, so they still have another week out to prepare. So let me go ahead and get started with this grocery haul so that we can get the items that need to go in the refrigerator, get those all put up. When I do something like this huge grocery haul, generally our cabinets in our refrigerator are like on bare minimum products or items only. So this will stock us back up and last us for another 2 weeks. This haul was $5.43. Did throw in a couple of extra school items though, you know, the wipes, grocery, sandwich bags, freezer bags, little small items like that. That was on Journey's school supply list. She's going into the 7th grade. I don't remember having a school supply list in the 7th grade, but she had one and it was quite lengthy. We spent a pretty penny on her school supply list, which I was surprised. I just don't remember having one. Maybe we did, but anyways, so our grocery haul this week was $5.43, give or take some of the small items we brought for Journey's, or remaining items that we brought for Journey's school supplies. So let me go ahead and get into this grocery haul. All right, guys, so starting right up front, we're just gonna hop into it. We have the flour tortillas. The girls, the twins, like to take chicken wraps for lunch, so picked up a pack of these for them. We have some whole wheat sliced bread for sandwiches for Journey. This was just a impulse buy. So you know you're never supposed to go into a grocery store hungry, and that's exactly what I did. So this was on display at Sam's today, so we picked up some pepperoni pizza dip with some Nan bites. Pretty good. I've already tasted the pizza dip there at the store and I liked it, so picked that up just because. Next, we're moving on to the eggs. So y'all know we go through a lot of eggs as we previously mentioned, so picked up 2 18-pack of eggs. My caramel macchiato coffee creamer is a must-have every morning. Then we have some Minute Maid fruit punch, milk, and y'all don't yell at me for this, but we have some ramen noodles in chicken flavor. I know they're not healthy, but we love them, so. All right, on to our cheeses that we'll use for the next couple of weeks for in our dinner meals. Some Italian mozzarella, Kobe Jack. These little cheese snack bites are new, but I wanted to try them because we're always eating cheese and crackers. So thought that would be a good idea, especially for lunches. We have some sliced cheese here for sandwiches, some pepper jack, some Kobe Monterey Jack, and then we'll do macaroni and cheese sometime this week as well. So we picked up some mild cheddar and again some Kobe Monterey Jack. My favorites, Bush's country style baked beans, some pasta sauce or spaghetti sauce. These are for lunches. They're caramel dip cups. They will slice up some apples and then have those with them. Some applesauce cups, some fruit cups, peaches, chicken broth. We go through a lot of this as well. I should have actually picked up 2 of them, but I didn't. Then we have oatmeal, 2 boxes of the variety pack. All right, moving into breakfast, we have 2 boxes of toaster strudels in the cream cheese and strawberry flavor. Family size of crackers. All right, into more of the school snack lunches. We have the little bites in the large pouch. Again, most of this snack items are from Sam's, so it'll be the value size, or however you want to call it, the bulk size. Just some crackers for lunch. The 30-pack Oreos and Chips Ahoy cookies. We have some Go-Gurt, Rice Krispie treats. All right, behind that we have pancake and sausage on a stick for breakfast options. We have fruit snacks, Capri Suns, pizza rolls, and then croissants. And then most of the stuff that we're getting ready to get into now is just for dinner. So we have riced cauliflower, some scallops, 2 bags of shrimp, some chicken legs down there, some imitation crab. I like to eat that as well with crackers and cheese. The girls, when they get home from school, will generally throw some of these chicken nuggets in the air fryer, so that's a quick snack for them. Some lunch meat, maple honey ham, and then some hard salami. We have some ground turkey and then chicken breast underneath. A bag of these DeRusso meatballs. My husband loved this brand of meatballs, so they make sausage as well, but got the meatballs today. All right, and then on to the frozen vegetables. I think we have pretty much all the vegetables that we eat here. So we have the California style mixed veggies, broccoli, green beans, some chopped spinach. They were completely out of the bag, fresh spinach, so I have to go back and grab some of that. And then just some asparagus spears. And then black-eyed peas to finish off the frozen veggies. All right, a bag of sweet onions, some potatoes. We have some mushrooms here, cucumber, collard greens here, some corn on the cob, green apples. These are not my favorite, but the girls love those with that caramel dip, so these are strictly for them. Sweet potatoes, this watermelon. Y'all, how do y'all pick y'all watermelon? I was always told to go for the darkest yellow golden color on top, so this is the one that I found today. I'm gonna taste it to see if it's really sweet and if that works, so I'll let you guys know. Some bananas back there, some peppers, sweet peppers, green peppers. We're gonna do stuffed peppers sometime this week, so that's what this is for. And then some cabbage. And then again, we got some Ziploc bags and freezer bags just to finish off our Walmart grocery haul. So again, this will last us for about 2 weeks. We are now back to our school grocery hauls or grocery list or shopping. Okay, y'all, so over here on the back side, we do have the drinks for our lunches or that we will drink over the next 2 weeks. We have the Faygo variety pack. We have the Welch's juice, apple, grape, orange pineapple juice. We have vitamin waters, and then we do have this case of water. We normally drink spring water, but again, these store shelves were empty, so I was not with it. I just grabbed what they had, and then that was that. So that will complete our grocery haul school prep edition for this series. All right, so now it's time to put the groceries away. And before I start loading the refrigerator with the groceries, I do want to take the time to wipe it out with the Lysol wipes. Now, normally I would use my bleach water to do a deep clean, but today I'm just going to look at that. Today I'm just going to do the Lysol wipes just to get the food and the gunk off the shelves before putting everything up. So before I even go through to wipe down the refrigerator, I have already gone in and removed any items that may have been expired or that I know we're not going to eat. That way my refrigerator is clean and there's plenty of space for the new groceries. Guys, so here is the final overview of the pantry. I've gotten all of the groceries put away and everything is organized in its place. I have the sweets up top. This is by design. I do have my niece over a lot and she would stay in the goodies or the snacks if I put them down any lower. I have my paper products and drinks at the bottom. Eventually I do want to get bins for those, but for now they are on the floor. Moving into the refrigerator, everything is nice and neat, facing forward and in its place. Okay, so on to the snack drawer, aka Journey's drawer. I do try to keep it stocked with some healthy choices as well, but nonetheless, this is where she's going to pack her lunch or just to grab a snack throughout the day. And then lastly, we have the freezer section. One side we have dinners, the left side we have snacks and food for the kids after school. Up top here we have breakfast to the left, breakfast options, and then we have all of our veggies for dinners on the right side. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. We were able to grocery shop, get everything done as far as purchasing items for school supplies, and come back home and organize and put everything away. So I am tired. Right now it is 10:09. I am down here by myself because everyone's left me to go upstairs for the night. So I am going to join them. As always, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you later.